Hello friends, Techman Pat here, hope you are well. And we're looking into this very different situation, and it could be an admission of guilt. Or is someone at NBN Co feeling maybe generous? Or is NBN Co run by a secret cabal who are in cahoots with Foxtel? Today we learn of a program of works called COAT. When I first read this, I actually thought it was GOAT, and it made more sense. NBN Co will begin a trial next month that will see 50, that's right, just 50, not thousands or anything like that, fiber to the node users receive an upgrade to either fiber to the curb, FTTC, or fiber to the premises, which is that special fiber cable that we all love so much. These locations are not been identified and could be anywhere in Australia. It could actually even be you. Now, the COAT program is not just a cover-up, it stands for Change of Access Technology. This trial is the first step in the future chances of full upgrade projects for those folks stuck on bad fiber to the node connections. Because we all know that not all connections are actually bad. In fact, many fiber to the node users are enjoying a great, though expensive service. What we can guess is that chosen fiber to the node users must not be attaining great speeds, because NBN Co must make sure its entire network footprint can achieve peak speeds of 25 megabits per second under the government's statement of expectations. And they do have some expectations. Now, NBN Co has previously shown 1.3% of all fiber to the node premises are incapable of hitting that mark. So, I don't know, is it 1.3? It seems like a very small percentage. The company must therefore offer these users a different access technology. But what's significant about this is that the upgrade options include fiber to the curb. Now, I fully support fiber to the curb because it's so much better than fiber to the node. You can potentially attain high speeds with this curb technology, and by far it's probably price-wise and time-wise the best option. Now, NBN Co said last year it would make fiber to the curb an option under its existing technology choice program, where an individual user or a whole area, usually represented by a council, can apply directly to the NBN Co to pay their own way to better access technology. Now, NBN Co is considering working with certain types of technologies over the existing copper line as part of this upgrade program. So we'll quickly go through that. It may sound a little bit technical, but bear with me. One of the first ones is called G-Fast, which is a digital subscriber line DSL protocol standard for local loops shorter than 500 meters, and we all know where that problem is. Now, G-Fast is now being rolled out by several operators to provide ultra-fast broadband. Now, it can deliver nearly 1 gigabit speeds on telephone lines and over 1 gigabit on coaxial, which is HFC. Now, it also provides an economic alternative to fiber to the home, which is exactly why the Liberals had chosen fiber to the node. With cable, there is a couple of technologies they're looking at. First of all, full duplex DOCSIS 3.1, which will enable 10 gigabits per second on the HFC network. Next up would be DOCSIS 4, which refers to the prospected spec as DOCSIS.next. This could support very high speeds by tapping into more of the HFC cable's available RF spectrum. Under this idea, also known as the extended spectrum, DOCSIS, cable operators could use more than the 1.2 GHz of plant spectrum that could now be leveraged for DOCSIS 3.1 or the 1.8 GHz spectrum envisioned for full duplex. Next up is fiber, and obviously if you have it, XGS PON. This is a 2010 computer networking standard for data links, capable of delivering shared internet access rates of up to 10 gigabits per second over existing dark fiber. And after that, we can try NG-PON2, the next generation passive optical network 2. And this is a 2015 telecommunications network standard for a passive optical network. The standard was developed by ITU and details an architecture capable of total network throughput of 40 gigabits per second. The last two really showed the beauty of fiber. You only need to upgrade the hardware and not necessarily the cable, and even then sometimes a software upgrade could really help. However, even at that time, NBN Co had not specifically laid out any strategy for upgrading its fiber to the node footprint. This first upgrade trial will only include fiber to the node and will last approximately 2 months. The process and systems needed to run these upgrades are not expected to be in production until the initial network build is largely complete. So NBN Co says that COAT will be fully operational by Q1 2020. The ultimate intention is for NBN Co and RSPs to be able to pursue a change of access technology irrespective of the driver for that change or where the request comes from. For example, if you're having a bad time, there might be remedies for you to access fairly quickly. It is still, however, early days. The scope of the program is incomplete and we'll probably find out results pretty late during the trial. But wait, there's more. In addition to unveiling COAT, NBN Co also revealed the presence of another program in the works. It is called BALLS, which stands for Blame All Liberal Lazy Spuds. All potato jokes aside, it's called NBN Select. Very, very original. Under NBN Select, which is due to launch in July, a retail service provider RSP will be able to act on behalf of an end user in order to change its access technology from the default multi-technology mix at a premises to NBN Ethernet or fiber to the premises. The project difference between NBN Select and the existing technology choice program is that the RSP is the interface with NBN Co instead of requiring the user to go directly to NBN Co. So friends, things are moving, but to me it sounds like their costs are also moving up. Let's chat in the comments, let me know what you think. Is this the kind of plan you think will actually help? Do they need better code names? What do you guys think? I'll chat to you below. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.